It's amazing that more than a third of the US workforce is currently freelancing in one way or another, and the rest of the world is catching up. And one of your best bets for growing your online career through freelancing may be working through Upwork. You'll be able to control from where you work and when you work. And although the most popular areas of work found on Upwork include software development, writing, digital marketing, web development, and graphic design, clients are in abundance on Upwork looking for skill sets that you may already have. The way Upwork works is pretty straightforward and very similar to Fiverr. You create a profile that catches clients' eyes by writing a good title that matches the services that you plan to offer. Include your photo, work history, experience, and skills. And it's best practice to craft an introduction video of yourself. 2, once you're up and running, you'll be discoverable to clients. But you don't only have to depend on clients finding you through search. You also have the option to bid for jobs, pitch for projects, and even consult with Upwork's own recruiters to help match you with clients. And 3, once you've found a job, the client makes a secure deposit on Upwork and you start getting to work. After things have been completed and you and the client are happy, you get paid. But keep in mind, just like Fiverr, Upwork is going to take initially 20% of that revenue. However, unlike Fiverr, Upwork charges you based on your lifetime earnings with any particular client. And it works like this. Upwork will keep 20% of the first $500 you bill your client, then 10% of total billings between just over $500 and up to $10,000, and then only 5% for total billings over $10,000. So the more you work and build relationships with clients, the higher percentage you keep for yourself. Pretty good deal. So let me give you 2 reasons why you might want to go with Upwork opposed to other platforms. Number 1, Upwork generally has a greater reputation for professionalism in the industry. User profiles read more like CVs or resumes with rates, work history, and even education. Upwork is also more involved in the employment process where they can award badges to freelancers, monitor work diaries, as well as enforce payment protections. And number 2, Upwork freelancers are able to charge higher rates for the services they provide. This tends to attract more serious clients because they expect to find higher skilled freelancers on Upwork. That means freelancers can earn more on Upwork comparatively. But if you're looking for more of a specific breakdown between Fiverr and Upwork, check out this video right here.